So this is part 2 of a 2-part video. This video deals with color grading. Part number 1 dealt with color correction, dynamic range adjustments, correct white balance, and correct skin tones. This video is built upon part number 1. So if you're interested, check out the link. But now let's create a nice orange and teal look. Let's select the right workspace, color. This is the clip I want to work on. Right click, new sequence from clip. For this process I use adjustment layers. Right click right there, new item, adjustment layer. Settings match the clip settings. OK. One click, rename, correction. Right click on the new adjustment layer, duplicate, one click, rename, grading. Drag and drop the correction adjustment layer above the clip. Adjust the length. Do the same thing with the grading adjustment layer. The video now skips the color correction process and dives right into color grading. If you're interested in how I color corrected this footage, check out part number 1 that's linked in the top right hand corner. Select the grading adjustment layer, come to the right and select color wheels and match. Now the shadows, drop them towards a teal color. The highlights, make them orange. This works because orange and teal are complementary colors that sit opposite to each other on the color wheel. Minor adjustments here. Now the midtones, a little orange, a little red. Now all of this is personal preference. I will drop the shadows a little, as well as the highlights. Not too much though, but I will bring the midtones up. And I like that very much. Now to top it off, you could add a tiny bit of vignetting. Make sure the grading layer is still selected. Come to Effects Controls. Under Lumetri Color, the last entry is called Vignette. Open it. And then set the amount to -0.1, maybe -0.2. And in this case, -1 already does the trick for me. Come back to Source. And now let's check what we've done. Original image, color corrected image, and the look. Let's save this look as a preset. Right click here, new item, adjustment layer. Click once, rename look. Drag it right here, for example, doesn't matter. Now select the color correction adjustment layer, go to Effects Controls. Select the instance of the Lumetri Color plugin, Ctrl C, copy it. Select the look adjustment layer, Ctrl V, paste it. Now on the look adjustment layer, select the Lumetri Color instance, right click, rename, correction. Do the same thing with the grading adjustment layer. On it, copy the Lumetri Color instance, paste it to the look adjustment layer, and once it's there, rename it to grading. Using the Control key, select both Lumetri Color instances, grading and correction, right click and select Save Preset. Let's call it Orange and Teal Look. Let's say you have another clip you quickly want to apply the look that you've just created to. Come here, select the Effects panel and just search for your look. There it is. Just drag and drop it to your clip and there you go. And from this point on, you can further alter it to match this exact clip. It's gonna show up as 2 instances of the Lumetri Color plugin because we created it from 2 instances. It's not grading and color anymore. This is basically 50% of the look and this is 50%. So right here, I would up the midtones like this. I am going to do the same tutorial for Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve. If you're lucky, it's already linked in the top right hand corner. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the video description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.